Good afternoon. My name is Ivan Cardona. I live in Itagüí, Antioquia. I live with my family. My favorite part is the burger. I am studying environmental engineering. Um, a few months ago I visited Cerro Tusa. I was great experience. Their complex, beautiful landscapes, ancestral paths, and fascinant animals. In the place we camp and the share incredible weekend for friends, love, and nature. The weather in the area is bit warm during day. The sun is very strong during and during the night is the hot outdoors. There is caves and there are abundant rates.